everybody, my name's Murdo MacLeod from Zest Mixology, here to bring to life an interactive cocktail making experience from our new virtual world. Has everyone received their cocktail box? So this is a competition. I've got prizes for the most enthusiastic and eager participants. It is Duppy Share Rum. We want to see all your creativity today to win this Duppy Share spiced rum. So the competition is in two parts. Firstly, I'd like you to copy me in making an apple and elderflower martini. And then the second part, I want you to garnish this cocktail with the most quirky and unusual things that you can find from around your homes or around your kitchen. Right, so from your box, first of all, you need your glass. You've got your measure there. It's 1 shot of gin. It's half a shot of Pinot Grigio. It's half a shot of elderflower cordial, and it's 100 ml of cloudy apple juice. And lastly, you need to squeeze in a lemon wedge. Add the ice, like so, into the glass. And we're now going to do the shaking part. So what to do is put the metal piece on top of the glass, and so it's straight down one side. It can only be straight down one side. Tap the top, and then turn to your left or right, and then shake. The reason that we turn to our left or right and not face the camera is just in case you torpedo that shaker into the camera. Okay, so give it a good hard shake, and then hold it in one hand like that, and tap it there once, and it will come apart, like so. Next, put your strainer from the box on the top, and then I need you to pour in a circle shape into your martini glass. And now we're going to come to the garnish. So you might want to make a fruit kebab and garnish it like so. And you might want to do a candy floss crown. You could make a banana dolphin. Nice dolphin. You could garnish it with a dolphin. Or what else could you do? Well, we could go all pirate. There you go. I can't wait to see your cocktail creations and your glorious garnishes. Cheers.